Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Mercy and today I'm going to show you how I made this akara without peeling the beans. This akara is very delicious, very simple to make. If this is the first time you are coming to my channel, you are highly welcome. Kindly consider to subscribe because I'll be posting recipes like this. And to my subscribers, especially those of you who always watch my videos, I really appreciate you. Thank you very much for coming again. So I have started by putting some hot water into the dry beans. Then I will let it soak for about 5 minutes. This will make it to get a little bit soft. Then after it has soaked for about 5 minutes, I will go ahead and wash it. Though these beans has already been peeled before they sun dry it and sell, some of the chaff is still in it. So I don't want to get the chaff or the roughness in the texture of my akara. So I'm going to take my time to wash and remove as much of the chaff as I can remove. And how I'm doing it is by putting so much water just like I did it here. And I will agitate it. Then the chaff will flow on the top. I will now decant it. So I'm going to do this for 2 or 3 times depending on how much chaff is in it. After that, I will go ahead and pour it into my blender for blending after washing. So that is what I'm doing at the moment. After putting this in my blender, I'll set it aside. Then I'll quickly get my sweet chili. See, there are few ingredients you need for making akara. Basically, the essential ingredients here is the onion, pepper, and salt. However, I'm going to use some other ingredients into it. You will see into this in doing this akara. You will see it as we go forward. So I'm cutting my pepper. I'm not going to use all. I just cut some amounts that I need. Then the next thing, I'll get my onion and chop it too. So after cutting it, I'm going to use a full onion for this akara, but I'm blending half of it. Then the other half, I'm going to cut it into small pieces and leave it into the akara like that. So right now, after I've put the pepper and onion, the next thing is my garlic and ginger. Garlic and ginger, a little bit of it in akara give a very nice background taste that you can't resist. You don't need much of it so that the taste won't be pronounced. It just has to give you a background note and the taste is awesome. If you have not tried eating akara that have garlic and ginger in it, or making akara with garlic and ginger, try putting a little bit of it and I promise you're going to like the taste. So after putting everything together, I added a little bit of water and I'm blending it. So I'll blend it until it's very smooth to my taste. After which, I will now turn it into a bowl. So this is the bowl where I will be mixing everything together before I fry it. So right now I'm picking my chili. This one has a little bit of hotness in it. Then an onion, I just dice them into small pieces. Then I'm going to dump it like that inside the beans that I've already blended. I like it like this because it gives it an extra visuals, nice taste when you are eating it, and the kind of texture. Imagine biting into the onion and the pepper after frying the akara. The taste is out of this world, or the feeling is awesome. Personally, I love it that way. But if you don't like seeing visuals into your akara, go ahead and blend all ingredients together so that the inside of your akara will be smooth. So the next thing now I'm adding is my salt. I added half spoon first. I need more than this, but I decided to be adding the salt gradually because I wouldn't want a situation whereby I will pour the salt and at the end of the day, the akara is over salted. So I recommend you add the salt bit by bit. After adding, you test to see if the salt has gotten to the level you want it. So after mixing everything, I have my pot on the cooker. Then I'm putting my vegetable oil. I'm putting about 800 ml to 1000 ml. I let it to get hot. Then I cut one other onion and put inside it. I will allow it to fry until it's brown. The essence of this is that the onion is going to release lots of flavor into the oil, which my akara will also absorb, and is going to give it more taste. Unlike when you are frying it with a bland, plain oil, it won't give you as much nice taste as possible. So after the onion has finished frying, I'll remove it because I don't want it to get in the way of the akara. After removing it, then I'll start frying. I'm using this spoon to scoop it one at a time, and then I'll gradually dump the akara inside the oil. You can use small spoon, you can use ice cream spoon, you can even use your hands, and the size of the akara you want will determine the quantity of the grounded beans that you're going to put inside. So after putting it, I feel the pot is overcrowded, so I'm using fork to separate it so that they won't stay together. I want to have my akara to be on its own when they are fried, not getting stuck and giving you that twin vibe. So as the akara is frying, I'll let it fry for like 3, 4, 5 minutes. Then I will turn it to the other side and also let it fry. After which, I just keep turning it. See, most people at this point can remove the akara, but personally, I let it to be brown enough before I remove it. So this is it now. The akara very much ready. So I'm going to remove all of them and put in a separate sieve that I have placed kitchen roll on. After that, I'm going to start again to continue frying the second batch. Depending on the size or the quantity of your akara, you can always fry it as many times as you want until you finish it. So this will take me about 2 or 3 times to finish. So I'm frying the second one, and I'm still going to repeat the step that I employed the first time. So this is it now. I'm still separating them so that they won't get stuck together. See, growing up, there is something we call akara tumbu in my village. Akara tumbu is still this akara, but the size is usually very big. So when an elderly person is going to the market from the house, you always remind them, please buy me akara tumbu. And the happiest thing that can happen to anyone at home then is when they buy akara tumbu. That time my grandmom will always buy me akara tumbu, and I don't play with it. And you beg me, I won't give anyone. I'm no longer like that now. Now I can give, but that time I won't eat much, but I won't give anyone. I'll become people's favorite because everybody wants to carry me so that they'll collect from my from my akara tumbu. Anyways, this is the akara now. It's cooked. See the color, and it's crunchy. It's not soft. The back is a bit crunchy, and on the inside is just nice texture. Not too soft, not too tough. This akara, you can use it to eat anything, ranging from bread. You can serve as sandwich. You can use it to drink akamo. You can use it to take your custard. You can use it to take oat. You can even just snack on it or even drink tea with it. I mean, this is very simple to make in the morning. Next morning is Saturday. You can just try this out as breakfast and you are going to love it. If you have watched up to this point, I really appreciate you watching my videos. I post lots of cooking videos, eating videos, and I'll soon start posting vlogs. Please kindly like this video if you like it. Click the like button. Help me share it to your friends and family. And if you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe, and I will appreciate it. Thank you again, and thank you very much for watching. See you later.